Hello and welcome to Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room. This is a little bit of a different video today because I need to tell you what is happening with my Elizabeth's Craft Room business and my Ready Set Demo business. For those that don't know, I have been a in-person Stampin' Up demonstrator for 16 years. I have loved every minute of it until the last few years, and unfortunately at that point it's all gone wrong for me. I started in 2020 getting arthritis in my knees. I used to be a runner, very much regretted now, and that has progressed quite rapidly. And then I also in 2020 started to get pain in my shoulder, which unfortunately has been diagnosed as repetitive strain injury from 16 years of cutting classes, sometimes 50 times 3 projects times every month, and special classes, and maybe using the wrong cutter or whatever, or maybe it's just I'm liable to arthritis. So unfortunately my shoulder has cracked up as well. It left me in a position where instead of looking forward to my classes, and I couldn't wait to see my lovely ladies, I still wanted to see them, but I'd come home in tears because I was in so much pain. And my husband said to me a year ago, this is not sustainable, you can't carry on. So on to what on earth could I do? Well, the first thing is, I have looked after my lovely ladies. They all still have classes to go to each and every month with my teamie and very good friend, Tracy McDonnell of the Papercraft Studio. And she has kindly taken all of those lovely ladies on, and they're all laughing and loving their classes with her. So where does that leave me? Well, firstly, I'm not going to miss out on seeing my ladies. I'm going to do kit classes a few times a year where we use the fantastic Stampin' Up kits, and they come along and we can chat. No prep for me, no shoulder, and I can scoot myself up and down and chat to everybody without having to be walking up and down and actively teaching. So that's great and I love it, and I'm really pleased I get to carry on doing that. But that's not enough for me to sustain myself. They're not going to give me my new knees. So what I didn't say is I have had some surgery on my knees, and I have grade 4 arthritis on the insides of both knees. They're not going to give me new knees anytime soon because of my extreme youth of 58. But I don't get my pension until I'm 68. So something has to give. But also I still need to work and earn some money to bring into the family. So what am I going to be doing? Well, this is all exciting, as well as looking after my my online customers who I have. I don't have very many of them, but hello to my lovely online customers. As well as looking after them and giving them some inspiration, I want to expand the other side of the business that I have been doing for many years, which is, and let's move a little bit in camera here, which is my Ready Set Demo business. Now, I started running this, I'm going to say I almost fell into running it about 9 years ago, where I started doing some bits of training, some classes that people wanted to do. And then I was also sharing on my Elizabeth's Craft Room website, and I had demonstrators coming to me and saying, I'm following you over there because of your inspiration. So I've kind of tried to merge the two, and now I've decided, right, let's go for it. Let's have a brand new website. I'm just going to turn this camera slightly back so I'm not leaning over. Yes, so what we're going to have on there is everything for you if you're a demonstrator, and everything for you if you're a crafter wanting to see pretty projects as well. So hopefully that will cover all the demo community, because a lot of us are crafters first and demo second for sure. So what we're going to do over here is, first of all, inspiration, creative inspiration. So videos and projects and ideas for new stuff that's coming out, ideas of things to get out from your cupboard that you already have maybe as well. I'm going to do some training for demonstrators who want to build their business. This is something, and this is one of the main reasons that I want to do more of Ready, Set, Demo rather than more of building an online business myself. I am passionate, absolutely passionate about in-person Stampin' Up businesses where we run classes, where we run events. Building community is such a key part of why I became a Stampin' Up demonstrator, and it's why I've carried on for so long when it was actually getting really difficult to do, because of my determination to keep on keeping my community together. Now, I've been lucky to be very successful in my Stampin' Up business over the years, and I would love to be able to share some of those ideas, or continue to share some of those ideas, as I have been on Ready, Set, Demo in the past, showing you all of those things that you need to know and you need to do, and you can choose to do, and you can work out to make you successful in your Stampin' Up business. So I'm going to be doing everything from little snippets to longer trainings over there on the site. My aim is for those to be a free thing for you. Which means I can't do one-to-one training, but it does mean that I'll be able to hopefully help lots and lots of you. The other thing that is one of the key things that I've been doing on Ready, Set, Demo for a long time is classes. And this is one of my recent ones. I've got my little bookmark, look, my little bookmark. This is one of my recent ones. We've got 5 projects using the For the Books bundle. So that's over there, as well as lots of other classes, and I'm busy backfilling my older classes because I also do fancy folds and technique classes that are going back years but still work to this very day. So that is another way that I am building up my Ready, Set, Demo business, is carrying on with my classes. And we've got all sorts of other fun things coming. It's still a little bit of a work in progress, but we've got more fun things coming. So I still love Stampin' Up. I still love everything about Stampin' Up. But I really want to be able to do this in my slightly physically compromised way, and help you as you want to craft and create and share and teach. So a little favour from me, there are a couple of ways that you can help me today. The first one is, it would be lovely if you pop over and visit the new website, have a little look around. I've had help building it. I'm going to give her a little shout out from the lovely Catherine Carroll. She is amazing. So she has done the technical part of this. But anything that you see typed, the fault is all my own. So any typos that you notice, you can shout out. I'll go and fix them. But yeah, we've been working together for some time to put this together, and there's still more to go. So bear with us as we move forward. Also, it would be lovely if you would bookmark that and come back and visit often. But so you don't have to remember, it would also be lovely if you subscribe to YouTube, because I put a lot up here on my channel. And also, and probably what I would love the most, is if you would join our community by signing up to my newsletter, which is down below. Now, the newsletter only comes out a couple of times a month. I don't bombard you, so don't worry about getting daily posts that are driving your inbox crazy. But what I do is let you know when there's something new, when there's some new information for you, when there's some new products for you to look at, and when there's new classes as well. So I'd love you to sign up for that. As a little sweetener, over the years I've had 2 projects, one fairly recent, one oh, it may even be 2018, something like that, that have been requested over and over and over again. And people see a little something online and they say, oh, can I have that video? Can I have that? Particularly the printables that go with it. So when you sign up to my newsletter, you will get those sent to your email inbox. Once you've confirmed it, it will come to your email inbox. I won't tell you what they are. I shall leave it as a little surprise, but I think you will like them. Also, for my ladies and gents, sorry, I should say, who are already part of my Ready Set Sense demo community, look for your emails beginning of Feb, and you will see those projects on there for you as well. So for those people who are already signed up who may have missed that, one of those two projects, I'm going to pop those on for you as well. So you don't need to sign up again if you're already with me. So I hope that kind of makes sense about what I'm going to be doing going forward. I would love it if you would support me in my journey going forward by just coming and having a look at what I'm up to. Also remember to support your Stampin' Up demonstrator. If you are a crafter watching this, your demos of having a rough time with one thing and another. It's not an easy time to sell as a demonstrator. So I would really encourage you to support your local demo or your online demo and go look at what they are doing as well. It's the best thing that you can do. Thank you all very much for listening to me waffling on for 12 minutes. If you've got any questions, do let me know. You can reach me at the moment at liz.shannon@icloud.com at the time of filming. I think I'm going to have a Ready Set Demo email address as well. So I'll kind of add that into the notes if that's come out by the time I'm sending this to you. But you can absolutely always reach me on my personal email there. And I would love to hear from you. Thanks very much. Let me know how you're doing in your Stampin' Up business, and I'll see you soon. Bye.